Hello, I'm going to share a story about how I got to know about influence. For everybody, it must be a unique experience, like how you got to know about influence. For me, I never knew. There is something called to inflame, or there is a literal meaning to the eternal love. I never knew that. For me, it was okay. So just life was flowing. I was I was in a married. I was in my marriage, and my marriage was also a love marriage. So surprise, like how will you meet your twin flame? That is not in your control. It's like a divine path and a divine timing. And of course, somewhere you have chosen to meet this way, and this is how it is revealing to you. All that is in your control is just surrender. All that you can do is just surrender, nothing else. You cannot do anything else. So don't try to control the process. But I will share, how I came to know about twin flame. I belong to a very small city, it is in Odisha. I belong to that place, and I had a very childhood, which was very miserable, deep in the poverty. So thinking anything beyond food and survival was it was not a part of life. Every day it was like uh, just survive, just get food, somehow get some money to do education. The whole focus was, somehow get through the education and get the job, and life is settled. That's what it was. But that doesn't mean that I never had the experience experiencing love. But always the focus was life is all about getting into a job and earning money. That was the main focus. uh, but yes, God has always tried to come to me in form of different people that I have experienced in my life, because I was constantly repelling love. I was I don't deserve love. I absolutely don't deserve love. And I was constantly repelling. I was not looking good. I was not feeling good in my body. Absolutely no. I was feeling very inferior. Why would someone love me? That was my situation. I came into interaction with people even before my marriage, but somehow that could not sustain. And yes, deep within me there was no connection. There was absolutely no connection. That was I was able to feel that committed. That was not there. So yes, your path is always crafted by divine, and you are designed to, when you have chosen your harmonious union with your twin flame. So all along you may be meeting different people. All are going to hold the space for your twin flame, but eventually you will find peace with your twin flame only. Okay, so it's okay to go through all that experiences. All those souls are going to help you learn something and then grow from it. So there is nothing to be shameful or be guilt about, why something like that happened with me. You don't know on a 3D level. You really will not understand why that had happened, but on a soul level, for every interaction with anyone, there is a purpose. There is always a deep purpose. That's why the soul comes in your life, and that always help you develop on a soul level. Okay, so that's okay. And yes, then I met my soulmate, and we got married. We got married in 2010, and it was a love marriage. And the relationship, we clicked. Everything was like, if you like take a check sheet by the society, it was all perfect. We were in love, and yes, it was cross cultural, but we didn't face any issue by our parents. We could make our marriage very smoothly, and everything was like going through like normal society life, like there is no connection. It's like eventually you fall into a pattern of being roommates. Okay, you don't share any values, you don't share the life also. It will be like, I was engaged in my life, he was engaged in my life, and okay, there was a house, it will never be, you will never feel home with anyone else other than your twin flame, but you will always feel as you are bonded in a societal norm or in a culture, that you believe that this is what it is, this is what relationship is, and that's how you continue that relationship. But deep within, and also your partner knows that you don't connect, but it's like we have to, this is it, this is what it is, we have to continue. We don't know anything. We are actually, literally, people are like, I was not aware, I was also under the same belief, this is it, this is what life is, because we have also not seen our parents having a like a romantic relationship or something like that. Okay, so they also taught us, life is like that, you have to compromise to be in a relationship. Nobody knew about twin flame. But yes, when there is a desire, that when you truly desire within your heart for a true love, you will naturally attract your twin flame, and universe will always make your path to meet together, the situation will happen in such a order that you eventually will keep meeting your twin flame, and as you keep making your choice into harmonious union, you will be in physical harmonious union with your twin flame. So that's the natural order. And then I met my false twin flame. Okay, when I met, I didn't know that that's a false twin flame or even a twin flame, nothing. I just met a person, and obviously that was very intense, very, like there was like no control, and that was a very different experience, absolutely different experience for me. I could recognize that because I already had experience, falling in love is, what my understanding of love is, so far what I have been feeling what love is, and this love was very different. The feeling was very different. I was like, literally, it was like when the person will speak to you, you will feel like, there is something deep within you that you always wanted to hear, and you are hearing that from the other person, the person that is in front of you, and that's why you cannot ignore, you literally cannot ignore. It's like whatever you have always desired deep within your heart, you start to see that in the person. You just cannot ignore the reality, you just cannot ignore the reality. And it was like absolute burst of love, and I was not understanding what exactly that was happening. And obviously there was societal constraint. We were in marriage, so like there is nothing like intentionally we were respecting each other's boundaries, but the feelings are something like, you can avoid the person externally, but your feelings are within you, that doesn't go anywhere, that stays with you. You have to deal with that by yourself. So that was what happening, and then I started searching with the word unconditional love, because like when I was not seeing anything externally, like even after those feelings were there in both of us, but there was nothing moving externally. Even to have a communication, it was like a, like you have to literally make space to come into that zone and communicate. So why it was so difficult, like why, like with your friends you can talk so naturally, so why it was so difficult? What was it that both of us were repelling? And then I started searching about why I feel unconditional love, even if that person was not contributing anything into the relationship. Even after that, why was I still loving the person? That was my first logical question, and from there I started searching on the YouTube, and then I found about twin flames. Then I found the word twin flames, and then I found so many information available on YouTube. Yes, initially I was lost, uh, uh, whom to follow, which one is true or which one is not true. But one thing I came to realization that what is happening with me is normal. I am not going mad. This is normal. There are also other people experiencing this. So there is something available in this world that can take me out of this experience, this pain or this suffering, that can take me out of it. And then eventually I landed with with my guru Jeffin Shilia through the free consultation, and then I found the right knowledge to understand what exactly it is. And when you are an educated person, and like you have, like in your lifetime you have learned things, and then you are experiencing a life. So even twin flame journey is a scientific process. There is a specific knowledge about it. When that knowledge about how it really happens, you can make it happen easily. It's like exactly like giving an exam. Like you do the study, and then you get your results. It's exactly like that. You study in twin flame universe about the twin flames, how the dynamic works, how the energy exchange works between twin flames, and then you slowly work on yourself and eventually get into harmonious union. I really loved learning this, because I have always passionate about knowing things, like like exactly, if anything is functioning, there is a definite definite dynamic through which it function. Okay, so there is a definite energy exchange that happens with twin flame, and you just have to understand that. And once you understand what exactly it is happening, and then after that you just get the mastery and get over it. That's it. That's so simple. And after knowing how it really works, my life became easy. I started feeling grounded, and I started, I was able to come out of that separation pain very naturally, just by by working with my coaches, and participating in the discussion group, and understanding how other people are experiencing in their life. So then it becomes just like any other routine. So like you don't have to treat your twin flame as a special event, because you have to actually ground into your twin flame union. So it's your actually life path. So if you are just treating like it like a special event, and like a project, it will end somewhere. No, it actually, you ground into union, and then you actually expand after your union. There is a big life after your twin flame union. So don't get stuck in the separation process for a long time, because there is a beautiful life after your union. So rather than just trying to survive this emotional pain, learn how you can thrive, out of this experience, and expand in this lifetime. Okay. And thank you. I really feel good sharing my experiences with all of you, and I would love to see how you have experienced. You want to connect with me, I have provided my free consultation link also. You can connect with me and make your journey fun and easy. It's simple. Okay, thank you.